In today's lesson, you are studying the distributive property. This distributive property is very helpful, especially later when you do algebra. You can simplify large problems by using the distributive property, which is taking a common factor and distributing it to addends and then adding those products together. Let's do some examples. In this problem, our common factor is going to be the 5. We are going to write this now as a product of some addends, which means we need to make an addition problem out of the 39, writing it in expanded notation. So we have 5 times 30 plus 9. Now we're going to draw the arrows showing the distributing of that 5 as a factor to both of the addends. So we have 5 times 30 plus 5 times 9. We put those in parentheses. Now we have, if you remember your last lesson, basic math fact, 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 0. We're going to add that to 5 times 9, and we can actually add those together without stacking, but if you need to go off and stack, you can do that off to the side and add them up. So the answer is 195. Let's try using the distributive property with a 3-digit factor. So our common factor will be that single digit at the front, the 7. So we will write this as 7 times 258 in expanded notation is 200 plus 50 plus 8. Then we need to draw the arrows showing we are going to distribute that 7 to all 3 addends. 7 times 200 plus 7 times 50 plus 7 times 8. Using our basic math facts, we can say that's 1400 plus 350 plus 56. Those are large numbers, so we need to go and stack them to add. You can do this off to the side on your paper, but you can leave it there so your teacher can see your work. So it is 1,806. In this last example, we have our 2-digit factor first, but I wanted to show you it's simple to just write them this way. Put the single-digit factor first, since that's how you've been learning to do the distributive property. Write 3 times 40 plus 6. That's expanded form. You will then draw your arrows showing how to distribute the 3. 3 times 40 plus 3 times 6. Now multiply your basic math facts. 3 times 40 is 120 plus 18. 138 is your final answer using the distributive property.